everyone, my name is Manisha Singh and today in this video I will explain the circulatory system in humans. What is a circulatory system? A circulatory system works to transport nutrients, minerals, gases to all organs present in our body. It also helps to remove toxins, waste from our body. Circulatory system ensures its proper functioning with the help of its components known as blood vessels and heart. Let's start with the blood. Blood is responsible for transporting gases, transporting waste products, transporting nutrients, helping remove toxins from the body. The blood properties includes slightly alkaline pH of around 7.34 to 7.45. It is salty in taste. It is bright red in arteries and dark red in veins. In a healthy individual, the amount of blood present is 5 to 6 liters. It forms the 8% of the body mass. The composition of blood. Blood comprises of two things, the plasma and the cellular elements. The plasma forms 55% of the blood composition. It contains important proteins like albumin and clotting factors protein. It also helps to regulate water in tissues and organs. Next we have the cellular elements or the blood cells. The blood cells present in blood are of three types: RBCs, WBCs and platelets. RBCs, also known as erythrocytes, are biconcave in shape. They are around 5 to 5.5 million in males and 4 to 4.5 million in females. Their lifespan is around 120 days. Their function is transport of gases. The next is the WBCs, also known as the leukocytes. It is colorless in color. It is around 7,000 to 8,000. It has nucleus. Its size is irregular. Its function is immunity. The last is platelets, also known as thrombocytes. They help in clotting. The next one we have is the blood vessels. Blood vessels. As blood moves through the circulatory system, it moves through three types of blood vessels. The first being the arteries, which carry blood away from the heart. The second being the capillaries, which are link arterioles to veins. They carry both oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. The last ones are the veins. They carry blood towards the heart. They carry deoxygenated blood. Now let's talk about the last and the main engine of the circulatory system, that is the heart. The heart is a dark red conical structure located in the middle of the chest towards the left side. Its outer double membrane is known as the pericardium. Here is a detailed structure of the heart where you can see its four chambers, the above two chambers being right atrium and left atrium, the below two chambers being right ventricle and the left ventricle. These chambers are made up of a special type of muscle known as myocardium, which helps in continuous pumping for the flow of blood. Now we talk about the functions of the heart. The heart pumps blood to all parts of the body. The right auricle takes in deoxygenated blood from the body through two veins, superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. The right auricle blood moves to the right ventricle and pumps it to lungs through pulmonary artery, where it exchanges carbon dioxide for oxygen. The oxygenated blood then returns to the left auricle through pulmonary veins. Then from the left auricle, blood moves into the left ventricle. Oxygen-rich blood leaves the left ventricle through aorta. Aorta and its arteries circulate the blood to all parts of the body.